Collision auto insurance is helpful in number of ways to the car owners. It is mandatory to have this insurance to minimize the loss on an incident of your car hitting any other automobiles or any other objects. In case of any object hitting your car and if there is any damage done to your car, collision auto insurance will help you to cover up the expenses incurred. The entire amount incurred due to the accident will be covered by the insurance. In any event of the car getting damaged in totality, collision insurance pays out enough to make replacement of the car. It is important to remember that damages due to fire accidents, theft will not be covered under this. Collision auto insurance pays for accident-related damages only. These accidents should have been occurred due to the negligence of car owner and not anyone else. The claim will be validated only if the collision occurring is a result of driver's fault or car owner's fault. A collision auto insurance could prove beneficial in case of insurance holders having a travel-intensive work. Representatives who are engaged in sales work and those who have greater exposure to roads have higher probability of meeting with accidents. The probability of accidents increases with the exposure to driving on roads and the duration of drive. Collision car insurance will help them to overcome the losses incurred. There are situations when a young driver might have to drive on a busy road or on a motorway. There are chances that the novice driver might hit another car or a bark of tree on the roadside due to inexperienced driving. It happens and is quite natural for any novice driver. The driver ends up damaging the car that might need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to repair. Damages like these will be taken care by collision auto insurance. So what makes collision automobile insurance all the more important? It is the unpredictability of accidents and the driving habits of notorious drivers on roads. Both these cannot be predicted by any human being. Hence, collision auto insurance is the only solution to all your problems on road. There are multiple benefits in availing this kind of insurance and there are lots of ways to grab them. There is a choice of deductibles offered when someone signs up for collision auto insurance. It is important to remember that in order to generate over monthly premiums, one should place higher deductibles. This implies that the expenses incurred due to damages would be taken care of by the car owner. However, it helps in saving a huge amount of money in the long run. This form of adjustable deductibles ensures that the insurance availing party doesn't have to go through a great deal of monetary harassment and yet can feel secured. It is because of this the car lease or financing dealers demand one such collision auto insurance, though the law itself has made no compulsions obvious. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.